Then come over here and talk to me like a f***ing man. No.
So I was at the traffic stop over there, and you guys were flashing light over there, so I just want to make sure you guys are good.
You seen you guys?
Hey, so this is an illegal detainment then, because you don't have any PC to be pulling them over. Reasonable articulable suspicion of a crime or a civil infraction, you don't have any of it. I suggest you get in your cruiser and off, dude.
Okay, look.
This is gonna be interesting. They fell for the flashlight.
Yep, again. I didn't think they'd actually fall for this.
None too bright. You got a cop over by you.
Okay.
Yeah?
Do you need help?
No?
Do you need help?
Yeah, do you need help?
What is that?
Do you need help?
I'm asking you if you need help.
I'm the one asking the questions here. Do you need help? What's your name and your badge number?
1164 is my badge number.
What's your name?
That's what I'm
What's
giving
your
you.
name? You pulled the car over. What's your name?
Okay. I'm just making sure you're okay.
I don't care. I'm asking the questions
I wanna
here.
make sure
What's your
everybody's okay.
name? I'm asking the
I'm
questions
giving you your
here.
badge number. That's
Give me
all.
your
That's it?
name.
I
It's
don't
your
need
policy.
You're a supervisor. Give me your name. Go fuck yourself. What's your name? Huh?
Yep. We're done here. Bye. Move away so you don't get your foot run over. We're done.
It's a bright light.
So what'd you pull me over for? You got a legit reason to hold me here?
Check
then we're done.
welfare?
I thought you said you were leaving.
Well, I'm trying to make sure I don't run your partner over. She's awfully close to getting herself hurt.
I'm gonna get out, dude.
All right, so yeah, get out then.
This is the supervisor, 15489. Damn. She's behind you? Yeah.
Yeah, but I think she's going faster.
Aha! Did we get a winner?
Yeah.
We got a winner. Lock at the doors. I love it. I love it.
You said pull up.
Pull up.
Fuck you.
Pull up. Pull up. I don't think you made a legal detainment here. Damn, you got Illuminated. Is my back door unlocked here?
No, they're all locked. Back up. Oh yeah.
Go away, we don't want any Girl Scout cookies.
Quit banging on my f***ing glass. What do you want? Elaborate or I leave. Then come over here and talk to me like a f***ing man. No. You didn't have any right to pull me over.
Yeah, this ain't illegal detainment. You better f off.
Not gonna happen.
I can't see. Am I blinding you? Hey, you fell for it, buddy.
Clock's ticking.
No.
So it's consensual. Then I get to go. Bye.
Dude, I can't fucking see.
What? I can drive away?
No.
So I'm detained? So now you're saying I'm detained?
Correct.
For what? Elaborate. Look at these fucking goons. Let's go. Why am I being detained? You said you were checking on me. You're making this a big problem for yourself. You're gonna be on YouTube. Oh, is that what did it?
So I was at the traffic stop over there, and you guys were flashing light over there. So I just want to make sure you guys are good. You guys need any help?
No.
Hey, unlock my window.
Is there a reason flashing lights in traffic?
You seen you guys?
Hey, so this is an illegal detainment then, because you don't have any PC to be pulling them over. Reasonable articulable suspicion of a crime or a civil infraction, you don't have any of it. I suggest you get in your cruiser and f off, dude.
Okay, look.
Get in your cruiser, shut the f up, and
you
f
got
off.
to me or not?
F off! We were
I told
traveling
you I
and you
wanted to
stopped
investigating
us.
some suspicious activity, okay? You guys are flashing
We're
lights.
traveling and you stopped us. F off, you piece of.
Okay.
Get back in your
Have a good
cruiser and f off, dude.
Is his back tire flat? It is. He's got a flat.
Bye, grumpy butt. Bye-bye, grumpy butt. You got a flat tire, loser. Have a good night. I love you. Ta-ta for now.
Is this a sheriff?
Salt River Police.
Oh, it is.
I just blew him off right now.
Those are the Indian cops.
You're giving him the craziest look right now.
No turn signal.
No turn signal.
I mean, he can.
No turn signal.
Lock your doors.
Hold on, can I update to 28 to Victor George Adams 16 Frank?
We're gonna find out.
What do you want?
What? For what?
We're speeding.
No.
Speeding.
Yeah.
Driving right next to you? Keeping up with traffic?
The one that's stopped.
Everything's on dash cam?
Can I have your ID, please?
For what?
Because you were speeding. What is the speed limit on the freeway here?
What is the speed limit? That's a good question.
Yeah, what is
It is
that?
65.
And what were you doing?
What's that?
Because you were next to me. What were you doing?
I was doing 70.
Oh!
Responding to a call.
No, you weren't.
Yes,
You would have
I
had
was.
lights and sirens on.
Okay. Can I have your ID, please?
Do you have all that on dash cam?
Yes.
You have everything documented, so when we go to court for this, you won't be wasting everyone's
Get that
time.
light out of my face.
You get yours out of my face.
Out of our face. Take the light out of it.
Get your light out of my face. Why are you acting like a kid? Because I flipped you off?
I'm not going in here arguing. Weapons in the car?
Don't answer questions.
Weapons in the car?
You don't answer questions. Where are they coming at?
This side, it looks like.
Mr. Weed, here's your ID back. Your citation's in this envelope with instructions how to take care of it and a court date for you to appear, okay?
All right, make sure you have that dash cam and audio.
Oh, look
Hey, badge number. What's your name and badge numbers? What's your name and badge number? It's policy. You stopped us.
So you would abuse your authority if I exercise my right? Whatever. I don't personally care what you sentence me to. I'm appealing everything today, so it's going to freeze whatever you sentence me to, and we're just going to kick it to a higher court. Because clearly this one is corrupt.
They turning our communities to hot blocks. Yeah, they got Glocks, handcuffs, and badges. They swearing that they hot shots. They want to lock us and throw away the stop. Watch, you know, direct deal, show you how to cop. Watch, cop, watch. Record them when a cop stops. And ignore the pig chatter when a cop talks. You don't need a top-notch camera, just a cop watch. You gotta know your rights or you lose them. So we cop, watch.